what all access this standard user have. So you want to check like what all records this standard user can access on which object, on the contact object. So what you can do, you can just search the contact. Okay, and here you'll see object setting. So when you search in here contact, if there will be any object related to this search filter, that particular object will be seen here into the object setting. So when you click on this, you will be navigated to all the access which this standard user have for all the record types. So what we did earlier, when we were creating this kind of records, we gave the access to all of these users, like standard user and all existing user, we gave the same permission. But what you can do, if suppose you don't want any standard user to access any record like this, you can just remove from here and this particular user, standard user, but you will have to, I mean, if this standard user have access to contact object, then at least he should have one record. I mean, system will automatically will create one record type for you. That is a master. So from the master only, it will show you one particular layout. So if a standard user have access of contact object, then definitely any layout, without layout, you'll not be able to see the details of students, right? So at least one you'll have to select. Otherwise, if you'll save it, it should throw you exception. Yeah, you see. Please fix the following. No default record type has been selected. Please select a default record type. So one record type it must have. So this is what the default record type is. You got what what is the, I mean, what is the things working under the hood or not?
Yes,
Or you want some more explanation, or you guys want to share your screen and want me to
Let,
help you out?
yeah, that would be good. I mean, if we do from our end, that would be good. Sort of, I mean, we can get some more clarity on this.
All right. So
Pradeep, you
so
can share your
on.
screen. And
Yeah.
there we
So
can start.
Pradeep, you want to share your screen?
I again logged in from mobile. Foul.
Okay. So you'll not be able to share your screen. Then how, I mean, we'll be able to. Then Rahul, you can share your screen in that case, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. So you guys will have office, right, today after some
No,
time?
we, no, that's why we kept it at
Oh,
7:30.
Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah.
Thanksgiving. Today and tomorrow. All right. So can you go on to contract? As I remember, you were creating some. Yeah. Create a new contract here. Let's see, where are we here? So here you are already seeing, you see two kind of
Yeah.
record type. Oh,
Yeah,
you
I
have
created.
four actually.
No, I created that, as I said, just for practice, I created two dummy one, finance and HR. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, finance and HR I created.
So you see, you have Rahul, you have logged in as a system administrator. Okay.
Okay.
So as a system administrator, you have a access of four kind of record:
Yeah.
employee, finance,
HR.
HR, and student.
Okay.
So you can create four kind of different record on the contract. So
Okay.
you can create four different kind of contract.
Hmm.
This is what the idea behind the record type is.
Okay.
So you have done, Pradeep, if you haven't done, just log in. If you want, just log in
Yeah.
from
Pradeep
your
from.
system and share your
Yeah,
screen,
I
and let's configure it on your system also.
Pradeep, at least if you can create this record, two records types from there, then we can move with the next step.
Yeah. Because we'll have
Mm.
to, because we are going step by step. So
Ah.
these things will be
Mm.
Yeah,
necessary.
I just created one record. Just a lot.
Pradeep, your voice is breaking.
डिस्टर्ब तो आप नहीं कर रहा मैं just 1 second.
Just
Pradeep dropped off.
I didn't saw that.
I can see he dropped off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We just wait for some time. Okay.
Sure.
Hello.
Yes, Pradeep.
मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ इसको.
Mm.
Share screen option का three dots पे क्या है?
नहीं नहीं, वो ओपन शेयर ट्रैप ट्रे।
अच्छा
Let me know, Pradeep, once you are done with your creation. If you need help, just share your screen. If you want
yeah,
me to,
I'm sharing my screen. I'm sharing.
okay.
Is it visible now?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Go to contracts. Contracts.
Contracts or contacts you have to click. No?
Record types will work on any one, so you can go on any like contact or contract, any one. So Rahul, you can guide. I am here. If there will be
Okay.
anything, I will be helping.
So
प्रदीप contracts
here,
में चल।
okay. So here is name, account name, drop, is drop. Save. Error. Maybe on error. अच्छा, ये start date is 20.
12 months 12 18 कुछ भी डाल दो।
ये तो optional है. This is one contract. Then we use this one for something.
So Rahul, you can just guide because I just want to understand what all understanding we have. So this
प्रदीप
is the
वो
contract object, one contract
Contract,
object
yeah.
we have
Hmm.
created. All right. So Pradeep, here you when you are on particular contract means
Hmm.
when you are seeing this contract, it means like there is some layout in the Salesforce which is working behind it. I mean, there is some
Okay.
layout which is working behind it, and because of that layout, you are able to see this wave which you are seeing right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And this particular layout, suppose if you want to change, like
Hmm.
you want to change or based on the rules you want to assign, what you can do on the top, you can see right after customize page, there is this
Edit
edit
layout.
layout. Yes. So when you click on the edit layout, you can edit the layout of this contract, how it is visible to you.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
if you'll see, this is the layout currently rendering. And on the top, you have the tools which can help you to create different layout. So when
Preview as you have in the
yeah, so when you'll click on the preview edge, it will just give you the access to see how for the other different profiles, how you'll be able to see the view of this particular contract. But we want to create a multiple contract layout.
contract.
So what we can
ठीक
do,
है
we can just go ahead and clone this particular layout. So how we can clone is we can just click on the save. On the save, there is this down button. No,
ठीक है
yeah.
Save as.
down arrow. So we can just click on save as, and it will just clone it. You see, it is all automatically, it is saying copy of contract layout. So you can just rename this contract to employee or
Employee,
student if you
student,
want.
whatever it
Yeah.
is.
Employee contract. Or simply we can write
No,
employee.
employee. Only employee.
Yeah, employee contract. When you say layout, it will be it will be easy to understand, because you see, if you'll see the standard, there is this contract layout. So you can say like employee contract layout. Okay.
Okay.
So likewise, you can create one more.
Student contract layout.
So again we have to go to this contract.
No,
No,
save
no,
as,
here only, from here.
save as, save as, वहीं पे, save as पे
Okay. Acha, got it. Same clone.
again.
Now here.
Employee contract layout. Sorry, student contract layout. Hmm.
अब वहां पे वो ड्रॉप डाउन पे क्लिक करो, देखो कौन कौन से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट बन दिख रहे हैं तुमको वहां पे ऊपर में, ऊपर वाला जो है। नहीं
अरे ये
नहीं, नीचे।
स्टूडेंट
अच्छा
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट के नीचे जो कर्सर एरो मार्क है,
स्टूडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट।
फील्ड्स बटन क्विक एक्शन, इधर साइड में जो कर्सर इस तरफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मोबाइल लाइटनिंग एक्शंस,
अच्छा
सेव
अच्छा।
वहीं पे, हाँ वहीं पे नीचे।
नहीं नहीं,
बस
ऊपर में जो है ना, मतलब हम लोग ये देखना चाहते हैं कौन कौन से लेआउट्स बने हुए हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के, ठीक है।
तो देन यू कैन गो विद स्टूडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट के ठीक ऊपर में एक एरो मार्क है ना डाउन की तरफ, स्टूडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट ऊपर में लिखा प्रदीप। हाँ हाँ हाँ,
तो
या
अभी जब इसको क्लिक कर रहे हो, तुम्हें देखो दिख रहा है कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे कौन कौन से
एम्प्लॉय,
लेआउट्स
हाँ,
हैं।
एम्प्लॉइज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट एंड स्टूडेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट, these two layouts
हाँ,
are there.
तो इतने लेआउट बने हुए हैं। अब लेआउट बनाने का मेन हमारा फंडा क्या है कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेआउट्स में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फील्ड्स हमें दिखेंगे, है ना। तो व्हाट यू डू, गो ऑन एम्प्लॉय कॉन्ट्रैक्ट layout and remove some fields from there which is not there on the contract layout, and even if you are on to contract student, as we are on to student contract layout right now, let's just modify this particular layout. So how can we modify? Just scroll down. Scroll down, yeah. So from here, wait, let's say what we want, don't want to have a price book onto the student layout. So you can just remove the price book. There is price book, you can see, right, in the contract layout, contract detail.
Yes.
Down you see, if okay, so here when you highlight this on the top, so this is a toolbar, okay. So in the toolbar, when you are, there is two kind of fields here. So this is all the fields which is there onto contracts, okay. So there are two kind of field. One is the price book, and then there is a shipping address.
Okay.
Just for I'm just taking example of these two fields, okay. So if you'll see the price book field, this price book field is, I mean, it's a shady, and shipping address, it's bold, right? It's
Yeah, it's
bold and highlighted. So there is a reason behind it. So this toolbar is saying like price book is already there onto layout, okay. And shipping address is not, is hidden from the this layout. So if you want to use the shipping address, you can just pull it and you can place on the contract for this layout. Just can you pull it? Yeah, can you pull it? Just right click on that and pull it down.
drag and drop also.
Drag and drop. down.
हाँ नीचे लेके आओ.
Where should I keep this?
You'll have to drag little more further. Go down
Go
more
down.
further. Yes, yeah, here you can place. So
Address
you see,
address
go
information.
little bit up, you see,
हाँ,
wait,
बस.
just highlight somewhere. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, so you see now this shipping address, you have just what you did, you just dropped here, you just dragged and dropped. Now if you'll
Now
see
it is
in the
not
toolbar,
highlighted.
it is not highlighting anymore.
The same here also. Contract name is also in bold now.
Yes, so contract name is not used. So it is just like based on the layout, some fields you want to hide and some fields you want to show. So as a student layout, suppose you don't want to show all the fields, you can show what I was saying. Let's hide this price book. You'll see in the contact details, in the contact information header, down you'll see okay, so little bit up, can you go a little bit up? Okay, so you are seeing different when you'll see the first here, when you'll see this layout, the first header is contact details.
Hmm.
Okay, so in the contract details, you'll see different sections. Okay, one is the contract information on the top.
Hmm.
So that is one section, and then there is this different section. Okay, then down you see system information, different section. So on particular layout, you can create different sections altogether. Okay, so so suppose if you have to create a new section here, because you may be thinking like, let's move uh, honor, like we have, you see, there is honor expiration notice.
This one,
Right side,
contract.
right side, you have a
Right
honor
side.
expiration notice.
Expiration notice.
Down, little bit down.
Contract.
Okay, so you have honor expiration notice. So suppose you want to have this notice into different section altogether. So how you can do that? So what you will
This
have
is
to do?
properties.
No, we cannot do from there. So how we can do? You will have to first, you'll have to create a section.
Acha.
So on the top, if you'll see, you will find
Section
a
is नीचे.
section in the toolbar.
Quick find के ठीक नीचे.
On the toolbar. Toolbox, you see, on the toolbox.
Bold one section.
Acha, this one. Okay.
Left. Go a little bit left.
Left section. Quick find के ठीक bold में section इस तरफ. Quick find के ठीक
Left
नीचे.
side.
राइट, थोड़ा राइट मतलब वो
हल्का सा.
पूरा लेफ्ट
अच्छा,
होगा। हाँ,
this one.
वो
Okay.
देखो, तो अगर if you have to create a section, you can just
Hmm.
drag and drop that
Drag and
section.
drop.
So it will create a section for you. Just let's drag and drop it.
So
Very
where?
okay.
Here.
So you see, when you are going to drop, you are seeing this. Okay.
Layout.
Okay. So when you dropped it, you see it is asking you what kind of section you want. You want one column section or two column section? Okay. So टू कॉलम सेक्शन मतलब कि इसमें दो कॉलम होंगे। जो पहला वाला सेक्शन तुमको दिख रहा है वो टू कॉलम सेक्शन है। जो कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन है ना हमारा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
टू
इंफॉर्मेशन,
कॉलम. हाँ.
वो टू कॉलम सेक्शन है। अब इसमें ये बोल रहा है कि हाउ यू वांट टू ऑर्डर दी एलिमेंट्स।
This one. Left.
You want to keep it like 1 2 3 4 or you want to keep like 1 2 3 4. So you can keep, but here we want to create a one column. We are only expecting to have that honor related field. So just select one column only. Left side you have one column, right? And name the section name as a honor. Honor details. OWNER honor details. Okay. Now just click it OK. So now you see you have a one new honor details section.
Yeah.
And in this section, if you want, so what you have to do, you have just drag and drop that particular field, honor expiration field.
Owner expiration.
Honor expiration field is, honor expiration notice.
Contract details नहीं.
माउस भी काम नहीं कर रहा.
ओनर डिटेल्स में ही रखो.
जो सेक्शन तुमने क्रिएट किया ना, मतलब हम
उसमें
लोग
रखो.
उस सेक्शन में, नए सेक्शन में हम लोग वो फील्ड डालना चाह रहे हैं.
फील्ड डाल रहे हैं बस.
ओनर डिटेल्स
हाँ उसी में ड्रैग ड्रॉप करो.
जो एक मिनट, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉप, how you will know like where it will be placed, you will be able to see that ग्रीन कलर का एक वो आ रहा है, लाइन आ रही
अच्छा
है.
ये हाँ दिस वन आया.
हाँ, जब तुम ड्रॉप करोगे तब when you pull it, just pull it from there and you'll see. हाँ देखो आ रहा है. just तो वहां पे छोड़ दोगे तो वहां पे वो आ जाएगा. हाँ, this is how it will be. So now we can see like this is how we have customized. Now suppose you don't want to, like there is this address information. Okay, this is there. Header visible on edit only, and then so इसमें से मतलब this is how we can just customize our layout based on different. So this maybe this is there. No, this honor expiration notice. Okay, so on, go up little bit up. So this is our student layout. Okay, so you can just save this student layout, and now you can just go ahead and modify your employee contract layout. So save this first, save it. No, you'll have to save it first.
Okay.
You can click on save. Yeah, okay. So now it will just, yeah.
अब जाओ employee contract layout.
So now we are landed onto employee contract layout.
Contract layout. Student में भी created ना.
अच्छा राइट.
अब employee में changes करना.
अभी इसमें कुछ जैसे कि देखो शिपिंग एड्रेस नहीं है यहाँ पे और कॉन्टैक्ट नेम नहीं है. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू hide some more details from the employee contract layout, how you can hide? Just hide some fields, no, from here. Go scroll down. Yes, from here. Let's say we don't need what we don't need. Honor expiration notice, company signed date. Company signed date को remove कर दो. Let's say we don't need onto employee field.
Left hand side, company signed.
इसको अगर हटाना रहेगा यहाँ से इस लेआउट से, तो कैसे हटाएंगे? इसको ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करके टूल वाले में डाल देंगे.
नीचे टूल्स के ऑप्शंस नीचे आए हो.
नहीं, इसको सिर्फ नहीं ऊपर में ले जाओ. ऊपर में, सबसे ऊपर में और ऊपर. हाँ, इसमें डाल दो. चला गया ना अभी देखो. It is ordered in the alphabetical order. So in the tool, in the quick find, you'll see that toolbar, all the fields are into alphabetical order. तो हमारा company sign date ऊपर में चला गया अभी.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now you can save it. Okay, now let's create a record type. So how you can create a record type? Right side, you see there is this quick access
arrow.
window. No,
वो arrow mark जो पहले जो हम कर रहा था. Help for this page के ठीक.
अच्छा.
But not here. You'll have to go to list view. Go to list view. Contracts पे click कर दो. Contracts पे click करो. सारे contracts. So you are onto the list view of contracts. Okay. अब यहाँ से we can navigate to record types. इसके जितने भी record types हैं
View record types.
उसको हम access कर पाएंगे. तो नीचे देखो
View.
record types. हाँ, क्लिक करो.
View record types.
Abhi, you see there is no record type. Okay, so just click on this new. And there will always be one existing record type. So we were not able to see, but if you want to see the record types, if it is existing or not, you can go to setup onto profile, then you'll able to see. So let's go to setup. Before creating record type, let's understand if there is, because without record type, we will not be able to modify it. So master record type always will be there. Setup में जाते हैं, profile में जाना, फिर यहाँ setup में क्विक फाइंड में सर्च फॉर प्रोफाइल. लेफ्ट में है ना क्विक फाइंड प्रोफाइल्स. इसमें सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर पे चले जाओ, नीचे आ जाओ. नहीं, ये वाला नहीं, दूसरा वाला स्क्रॉल है ना,
दूसरा वाला.
Okay, so you are not able to see because you are only able to see the 25 profiles. नीचे देखो, it is saying 1 to 25 of 38 profiles. So you can either go to next or you can select. Yeah, you can go to next. Here you have a last one, no? So click on that system administrator. Yes. So now we are here onto system administrator. इसमें हम what we are looking for the object settings of contract. So contract search करो इसमें system administrator, find settings में contracts. ये देखो ऑब्जेक्ट सेटिंग में आ रहा है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. क्लिक करो उस पे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स पे नीचे नीचे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स.
ऑब्जेक्ट सेटिंग
बस
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स है. अच्छा, ओनली कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स.
तो यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में देखो, ये रिकॉर्ड टाइप यहाँ पे बता रहा ना, ये मास्टर है और उससे रिलेटेड कॉन्टैक्ट लेआउट है. So there will always be one record type which is a master, and whenever you will create a new custom record type, it will be visible onto list, I mean on the record types of that object. So now we can go ahead and create a contracts. So let's go on to contracts.
This here or on the top?
From the top you can go, yeah. From here, this is all the contracts we have. Okay. On the right, you see this navigation. On the right side, you have this, yeah, navigation. Click on that. Here, wave record types. Okay, so here we don't have any record type, any custom record type. So what we can do, we can create a new record types. Let's create. So if you remember, Pradeep, we have created 2 layouts. So one layout we created for employee and one we created for the student. So let's create likewise record types. So here, let's say employee record.
No, employee रहने दो सिर्फ. A record time it would be automatically filled.
If you want to give some description, you can give. Otherwise, you can just leave it as it is.
Go for next.
Then you can just scroll down. So here you see, no, go up, go
Next
up.
up. Okay.
Okay, so what we are doing, we are assigning this layout to all the profiles.
Profile.
You see, we are saying this layout will be accessible by all the profiles. Now it is, you see, it is asking for all the profiles which layout should be visible. Okay.
Select.
Let's say we want to assign employee contract layout. So you can, yeah, you can save it. So otherwise you can just configure also whether if you want this layout to be visible to other.
अच्छा, to
So
these
yeah,
profiles.
apply a different layout for each
For each
profile. You
profile.
see, there is option.
Okay, yes.
So you can do that also. Otherwise, you can just apply all the profiles to the same layout.
Okay,
So
so
whenever you will, they will create employee record, they can have.
record type employee here.
So you have created one record type on the employee. You will have to create one more for the student.
Student. Contract here. Contacts. Contacts.
Contact. अच्छा,
Hmm.
This is
नहीं
no,
नहीं
this is we are creating a new contact. What we want to have a new
व्यू
record type on the
वो
contract.
व्यू व्यू हाँ वहाँ से
on the
मतलब
contract or on the contacts?
नहीं
On
नहीं
the
वो
contract.
कर्सर है ना दैट हाँ हाँ वहाँ पे जाओ पहले
uh, validation will this is not, it should be in contract actually.
अब व्यू रिकॉर्ड टाइप हाँ मेक अवेलेबल में क्लिक कर दो तो बॉक्स है ना ऊपर में मेक अवेलेबल
This is,
क्रिएटेड कॉन्टैक्ट्स में फिर से वो सेम
contacts
हाँ वहाँ
contracts.
व्यू रिकॉर्ड टाइप
Okay. Let's see all the record types available on this. No, contracts पे देखना है.
Contracts is, this to records
तो
are
हमारा
on.
2 record type हो गया है ना. अभी let's try to create one contract. Go on to contract tab. Let's try to create one new contract and see if we are able to see those two record types or not. ये- कोई बात नहीं प्रदीप अच्छी आवाज है
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स में
एक क्रिएट करो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट यहाँ पे न्यू बटन से नहीं ये न्यू
नहीं,
वेब
recent
हो
contract.
कैंसिल कर दो यहाँ पे इसको लेट्स कैंसिल इट
कैंसिल
एंड रिसेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स वाले में देयर इज दिस
New-
न्यू
new
बटन
one. recent contract.
Okay, this one.
No, on the
नहीं,
top,
यहाँ
on the
यहाँ
top,
ऊपर
little bit
top.
up. There is this button, you see new button. Yeah. So when you
See,
clicked on this, you see it is
Employee.
giving you the option to create which kind of record you want to create.
So here we have employee and these two types.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
So when you
control
click
line-
on that drop down, you will see a student also. Yeah. So likewise, create some more records and try to play with the layout and see. So when you select the employee and you'll go ahead, continue with this. Okay, so here you see we have price book. Here we have a price book.
Hmm.
But actually price
this
book is
one.
not there. I think we have
We
removed
have
from the student.
remove this one.
No, I can also see that price book.
I think from student we have removed and we kept it into employee. So that if you will go back,
So students.
Cancel.
yeah,
No,
try to
student
cancel.
also in price book. It's here.
Create new and let's see. Select student. Yeah, continue.
Is also
Oh,
price
I
book.
think we haven't removed it then. Okay, so what we can do, so suppose you have to remove, you have to check whether it is removed or not. So let's go to an existing contract, cancel from here. Go on to this contract. This contract is there, no? Down, down, down. You have created one contract with 100. That is the account. No, no. Yeah, that. So here you want to check the layout, edit layout, press on that edit layout button. Yeah. Let's check what all things are there on to student. Select on this
Nice.
student. No, this is a contract layout. This is not that. On the top, you have a contract. No, on the top.
Yeah,
From
price
the
book.
top. So there is a drop down, no contract layout. Click on that drop down.
Contract layout के ऊपर एक cursor
Agar
है.
layout, suppose if we have to change the layout. So on this object, we have a multiple layout.
We need to
So
select. Here. Fields के ठीक ऊपर, save as के ऊपर वाला contract layout.
Save as.
उसके contract
on
layout.
above save.
Save के ऊपर वाला.
अच्छा, this one.
This
You
one.
need to select the student.
Select employee.
Employee contract here.
Okay, on to employee. Can you scroll down here?
Yeah, I can see that price book.
No, not in this. Down into the here. Yeah. Scroll down. Here you see we have a price book. If you remove the price book from here and save it, just remove the price book from here.
इसको टूल बार्स में ऊपर भेजना है. I mean, we need to put it in the toolbar, na? Price book.
Yes.
The field must be displayed on the field, cannot be removed. String cannot be removed.
Field must be displayed on the page layout.
This field. Okay, so this field must be displayed on the page layout and cannot be removed.
Same.
So maybe there is a issue with this field. Okay, just click OK. Okay, go scroll down here. maybe you can, maybe what you can do, you see there is this billing address, right? Billing address is there, no?
That green, yeah, that is coming here. Green line.
Yeah, so what you can do, yeah, you can put the shipping address also in the address information. On the top, you see you have an address, shipping address. Yeah. Keep it into the same section. Yeah, keep it in the same section, shipping address. And maybe price book, you can keep how it was there. So now you'll be able to see the shipping address as well. No,
Yeah.
don't remove it. You'll not be able to remove. Just keep on the upper section. That's what I'm
Upper
saying.
section, हाँ, right, ऊपर drag कर दो.
Okay, now if you'll save this, and now you'll create, if you'll create this employee, this was the employee, right? So if you will see, there will be, wait, go on, create one contract. Click on new button. Okay, go ahead and continue with this employee. Okay, so it is asking billing street. Why it is not visible here? It should be visible actually. This is, so we created onto this record only, no? This
contract.
Employee contract. Employee layout we created.
Okay. But why go down a little bit down into address information only? It should be visible actually. What is this which is not working? Okay, cancel it. So this is when, wait a minute, just what all you are saying, address and the status we are saying, cancel it, and let's go, let's go back first. Let's see. Actually different layout आना चाहिए. New पे click करना एक बार फिर से. एक बार student select करो.
नहीं, student में भी price book is there.
Continue करो. Okay. Price book तो is saying it will not be able to remove because contract से it's standard field, something like that. And address में ऐसा हो सकता है कि एड्रेस का, शिपिंग एड्रेस का में भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि परमिशन नहीं हो. एक काम करते हैं, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है ना, इसको हम हाइड करते हैं और देखते हैं काम कर रहा है कि नहीं.
Okay.
फिर से जाओ लेआउट में एक बार. इसी एक लेआउट से डिस्क्रिप्शन वाला रिमूव करते हैं हम. नहीं
एम्प्लॉय से ही ना डिस्क्रिप्शन लेआउट.
हाँ, यहीं से लेआउट रिमूव करते हैं. इसके लेआउट में जाते हैं.
डिस्क्रिप्शन,
एडिट लेआउट. अभी ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट है. अभी इसको चेंज करो जरा ऊपर से.
एम्प्लॉय में
एम्प्लॉय कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेआउट.
एम्प्लॉय कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
ठीक है, अभी नीचे जाना एक बार. नीचे जाना, डिस्क्रिप्शन, ये है ना डिस्क्रिप्शन इंफॉर्मेशन, ये स्पेशल टर्म्स और डिस्क्रिप्शन, इसको हटा देना इन दोनों को.
और टूल बार में ना
एक मिनट, ये जो माइनस वाला सिंबल, इस पे प्रेस करो. It will remove it from here only. Yeah. I don't know whether we are saving it or not. ठीक है, ऊपर में सेव करना जरा इसको. तो अभी डिस्प्ले और ये नहीं आना चाहिए हमारा. सेव करें. ठीक है, ये सेव हो गया ना। लेट्स वेट फॉर अ व्हाइल। 1 मिनट नीचे जाना जरा इस पे। ओके, लेट्स क्रिएट वन रिकॉर्ड। एम्प्लॉय था ना वो? इट वाज एम्प्लॉय, राइट?
Employee.
Go on to contracts and try to create one.
Employee.
नीचे जाओ, देखो अब नहीं आ रहा ना इसमें।
नहीं,
तो it
description is
got
removed.
just removed. एड्रेस के साथ हो सकता है कि सेम बिलिंग और शिपिंग एड्रेस का है, तो अगर देख लो, अगर तुम लोग फिगर आउट कर लोगे तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज इफ यू वांट मी टू फिगर इट आउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, वी विल डू इट टुमारो मे बी।
ओके,
So ठीक है।
अदरवाइज ये क्लियर तो है ना, ये कॉन्सेप्ट की
हाँ।
क्या है करना
हाँ,
है ना।
ये क्लियर
हाँ
हो
नाउ,
गया।
हाँ नाउ
तो
क्लियर।
कल जो है वी विल जस्ट गो अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक।
तो ये अब इस ये जो वी केम ऑन दिस पेज, सो इस पे कुछ चेंजेस करना है क्या न्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे? आई मीन व्हाट वी आर ऑन द पेज राइट नाउ, वी नीड टू पुट डिटेल्स ऑन दिस वन।
सो मतलब मेरा फंडा ये था कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, मतलब डिफरेंट रिकॉर्ड टाइप पे डिफरेंट लेआउट आता है, ये
हाँ,
मेरा
अच्छा।
मतलब फंडा था। तो वो देखो डिफरेंट लेआउट आ रहा है ना,
हाँ
मतलब वही दिखाना चाह रहा था मैं। अगर तुम लोग को नया नया अब जैसे कि तुम लोगों ने एक रिकॉर्ड बनाया, ठीक है, वो किस टाइप का रिकॉर्ड है,
ओके,
ये कैसे पता चलेगा, है कि नहीं? तो दैट वन आल्सो यू कैन डू बाय go to layout again, on to layout, any of the layout, any of the contract layout, go there.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे
इसको ओपन करो,
न्यू
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को ओपन करो।
अच्छा, इस
ऊपर में है ना एडिट लेआउट का ऑप्शन।
So for different records, we are actually trying to give different layouts में, यही main concept है।
हाँ, सो डिफरेंट रिकॉर्ड। अब देखो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, ऊपर में टूल बार में तुम्हारे ऑप्शन है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिकॉर्ड टाइप। आर यू एबल टू सी
Contract record
टूल
type,
बार में? हाँ, तो ये जब तुम अपने एज अ फील्ड व्हेन यू ऐड ऑन द लेआउट, जब भी तुम जो जिस टाइप का रिकॉर्ड क्रिएट रहेगा ना, वो बता देगा वहां पे कि ये स्टूडेंट रिकॉर्ड है, चाहिए ये वाला रिकॉर्ड है। So this is what it is about.
ओके,
Okay?
ठीक है।
गॉट इट।
All right. तो ठीक है। So let's connect tomorrow at our time 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
या, थैंक यू रजत भैया।
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.